Losing weight can be frustrating business. You've tried everything. Eat healthy, exercise daily, but nothing seems to work. There are about hundreds of diets out there. You've probably seen progress on some, but nothing long-term. Sometimes you see a little progress, and other times nothing seems to be happening. So if you're exercising and you're watching your calories, why isn't the scale moving? Well, How to Be is going to tell you 3 major reasons why you're not losing that excess fat. Before anything else, make sure to like and subscribe to How to Be so you can access more of our videos similar to this. Let's get started. Well, to tell you honestly, there's only one major reason: sleep. But we're digging into the importance of sleep and how it impacts your much sought after weight loss. Number 1. You need at least 8 hours of sleep. According to the National Sleep Foundation, your body repairs itself by releasing growth hormones while you sleep. Those hormones stimulate muscle and protein synthesis as well as a fat breakdown process called lipolysis. Since growth hormones tend to peak at night, getting a good night's sleep cuts the essential process short. Research shows that only getting 4 or 5 hours of sleep a night can lead to obesity down the road. Number 2. Sleep at night to lose more. For a 150-pound person, the estimated calorie burn over a 7-hour night of rest is just over 440 calories. That's a 40-minute jog on a treadmill. Regularly getting enough high-quality sleep, sticking to a consistent sleep-wake cycle, and protecting daily circadian biorhythms from disruption are all ways to encourage your body's natural melatonin production, which may help your body make more of these weight loss-promoting fats. Both brown and beige fat are sensitive to temperature and can be stimulated by exposure to cool nighttime temperatures. Research shows sleeping overnight in cool environments increases brown and beige fat by triggering the body to convert white fat to these energy-burning fats. Number 3. Deep sleep state provides restoration and repair. Deep sleep is a critical time for physical restoration. Repair occurs at the cellular level, restoring strength and function to tissue, muscle, and organs throughout the body. During these sleep stages, the body also turns its attention to restoring function to the immune system. Improved immune system equals better metabolism. Better metabolism equals weight loss. So there you have it, folks. We just explained to you how sleep can majorly help you with your desired weight loss. Make sure to like and subscribe to How to Be for more videos and hit the notification bell so we can keep you updated. Thank you so much for watching, and until our next How to Be video.